Hello, everybody. And this is kind of a big turning point for you all in the class. You turned in your deeper look essay where you talk about your root causes. And the next step is solutions that address the root causes. And that's what the reading this week is in Chevalier's book. And you don't really need the whole chapter at first, just sections 1 to 1.4 for Wednesday's discussion, and then wrap up sections 2 to 5 in the chapter for Friday for that posting, and also, of course, the reading questions. And there's the layout of the week there. Take a look at it. Be sure to read the reading guide before you read the chapter. It's especially important when you get to Friday's questions. Okay, and let's take a look at something new. Short, you just turned in a big essay, so you're going to get a little break here, but an important one. It's on your potential solution. Now, if you remember from last week's discussion and reading questions, you put together a hypothesis on root causes and solutions. Now I'd like you to do that formally, now that you've had a little practice with it. Just 2 paragraphs. And there's the template I gave you last week. But the first paragraph should identify your wicked problem and summarize 3 to 5 sentences, 1 or more of your sources and your overview. No new sources, just one of the sources in your overview about the root causes and potential solutions. And then, in your second paragraph, identify 3 partial solutions. For most of you, the solution isn't just one thing that solves the whole problem and addresses all of your root causes. No, it usually means having partial solutions that address some root causes, and then you find a way to put it all together. Be sure to give Chevalier credit when it comes to arguing in favor of your solution. And this is new. What active role can you play in making your solution a reality? That's important. This is your solution, not somebody else's. Yeah, your source may have given you some ideas on it, but you're in the driver's seat here. So finish your second paragraph. Do that hypothesis one more time. And there are some, just like there's some do's, there's also some don'ts. So be careful about confirmation bias, a solution you had in mind all along, for instance. And stick to the wicked problem you've been writing about ever since the beginning of the semester. Okay, so read through this carefully and have a great week.